In Noida. Here we have this Okhla bird sanctuary, and they have given us some migratory water birds. This is the grey-lag goose, the northern shoveler, the Pala's gull, the black-tailed godwit, great white pelican, common shell duck, red-crested pockard, whiskered tern, white-tailed lapwing, pied avocet, common kingfisher, common duck, Indian cormorant, Indian pond heron, greater flamingo, this red duck, ferruginous duck. This is rough, purple swamp hen, little grebe, bronze-winged jacana, little egret, painted stork, red-naped ibis, red-wattled lapwing, purple heron, lesser whistling duck, white-breasted waterhen. As far as you can see, it's the bird sanctuary along the Yamuna River. We walked for at least more than a mile, and it's miles. You can see a goat there. The goat. Well, that's greatest of all times, GOAT. So these are the biodiversity of butterflies at Okhla Bird Sanctuary. Some of the birds painted. It is gargangne, com duck, bar-headed goose, and purple swamp hen. So these are the instructions to the visitors. I'll read the first one. Please enter the sanctuary with valid entry ticket. On payment of prescribed entry fee found any visitor the inside sanctuary without valid entry ticket will be treated as trespasser and will be punishable under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Lovely painting out here on the gate here of flamingos.